sign cutting stick is used to help track people when they are either missing or running away or just lost in general in the woods or anywhere. You can make it, or you can find a stick in the woods easily that's 40 inches long, and you also need either 2 rubber bands, as I have, or you will need a O-ring that you could use on it as well. The main importance of it is that it makes, instead of when you're searching for things, your eyes tend to wander around and look at other things, looking at trees, just looking all over the place. Well, the stick helps you focus on the ground and other different types of signs, and it makes it kind of pop out, so you would see things that normally you wouldn't just normally walking in the woods. It also varies when dealing with light too as well. The best time to search for people using the sign cutting stick is either in the early morning or the late afternoon, and the reason because is the sun, as you can see, it's early morning, so it's coming down at an angle, and it casts a longer shadow, and it makes things a lot easier and visible to see instead of the sun beating right down on top of things, and some things you wouldn't be able to see when it is doing that. Next, I'll demonstrate on how we use the sign cutting stick as if we have found a footprint on a trail or just in the woods in general, and how that is used and its importance to helping find people. Alright, as you can see here below, we have found a footprint on this trail that we have been walking on. Okay, so what we want to do here is, since we have found, looks like this is the heel of the footprint, looks like we're traveling this direction, so what we want to do is line the rubber band up with the bottom of the heel. Hey Willie. And as we do this, we want to scan 10 to 2 o'clock in the direction, stop it, 10 to 2 o'clock to see if we can find any other footprints leading after it. And as you can see, it looks like they went right here. It's on this bank, so it kind of dipped off and the heel hit right here. So we'll go to the next one and scan it. And sometimes you won't find anything at first, and then if you don't, then you need to slow down your span and how fast you're doing it. And there's also another heel print right here going this way, and then we'll do the same thing right here and scan. And a lot of times you don't know which direction. I mean, they could have kept going straight, or you never know, there might be signs of them going down the bank or maybe even going uphill, just depending on the type of person that you're looking for and what their tendencies are.